Once upon a time, in a world just beyond the reach of reality, there was a hidden realm known as the Lost Kingdom of Dreams. This magical kingdom was where all dreams were born, a place where imagination came to life and anything was possible. It was a land filled with towering castles made of stardust, rivers that sparkled with liquid moonlight, and skies that shimmered with every color of the rainbow. In this kingdom, there lived a young boy named Alo, who had always been a dreamer. Every night, he would close his eyes and visit the lost kingdom in his sleep, where he would embark on incredible adventures, meet fantastical creatures, and explore the wonders of this enchanted world. But one night, something strange happened. When Alo closed his eyes, he found that the kingdom was no longer there. Instead, he was surrounded by darkness, and all the dreams that once filled the air were gone. Determined to find out what had happened, Arlo set out on a journey to rediscover the lost kingdom of dreams. He traveled through the deepest forests of thought, crossed the vast deserts of forgotten memories, and climbed the highest mountains of hope. Along the way, he met a wise old owl who told him that the kingdom had vanished because people had stopped believing in the power of dreams. Without belief, the kingdom's magic had faded away. Arlo knew what he had to do. With the owl by his side, he returned to his world and began to share the stories of his adventures in the lost kingdom. He told tales of the starry castles, the moonlit rivers, and the creatures that could only be found in dreams. Slowly, people began to listen, and as they did, they started to believe once more in the power of their own dreams. As belief spread, the lost kingdom of dreams began to reappear. The stardust castles shimmered back into existence, the rivers flowed with moonlight once again, and the skies sparkled with all the colors of the rainbow. Arlo's journeys through the kingdom returned, and with each dream, the kingdom grew stronger and more vibrant. In the end, Arlo learned that dreams are more than just stories we tell ourselves at night, they are the foundation of hope, creativity, and the endless possibilities of what can be. And as long as people believe in their dreams, the lost kingdom of dreams will always be there, waiting to be discovered.